Good morning. It's Edward Kranz, the Honey Badger Binder of BOOKFORGE. And today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do an unboxing. And typically at BOOKFORGE we haven't historically done unboxings. But we're going to do an unboxing, and I think we may do them in the future because I feel, well, A, I think people like unboxings. I think they're fun. And then B, I work with a lot of really fun materials. That's one of the things that I really enjoy about bookbinding is I work with materials from all over the world. And I think that to help out and as an educational process, as we're unboxing, we can discuss these products and kind of let you know what I work with, why I work with it, and how you can work with it. So let's get... This package came from Gaylord Archival, and let's see what we got. All right, you guys ready for this? All right. Woohoo! What is all this? Paper for the dog. And let's see. Unbuffered blotting paper. So I'm a little disappointed because while I do need the blotting paper, there's a second item that should have been in this package and that I actually need. We'll explain why in a minute. All right. Well, let's not worry about that. Okay, so what is unbuffered blotting paper? So, yeah, I'll show you a piece in here first. So I use it for a couple different reasons. One, if I have wet media, wet pages that need to be pressed and dried, I put them between these cotton blotter sheets in the press. And they're pH balanced, non-acidic, all that good stuff. They're archival. But what it does is it helps draw the moisture away. That's my primary use. I usually use it in combination with Remay. So when I'm pressing just about anything, I have a layer of my cotton blotter. I have a layer of Remay, which I use as a release layer in that particular application. Then I have what I'm pressing, and then another layer, Remay and blotter. The Remay, release layer, the blotter draws the moisture away. And so when I ordered them, I ordered them together because I need both. And yeah, so now I need to find out why I only got one. Really good tape. This is always fun. Okay, I give them 5 out of 4 stars for packaging, because holy crap. big box. All right, here we are. Beautiful, pristine sheets. Cotton blotter paper. So there's 25 sheets. And really, if you were to touch this, this is a lot like a cold press, excuse me, well, maybe a hot press watercolor paper. And it's 100% cotton. You can use it to line drawers for photographs. The dog just got the paper. He is going to have fun shredding that. It's like Christmas for the dog. My dog's name is Loki, by the way. He's a German Shepherd. Okay, so there we go. Blotting paper. I use it to draw moisture away, especially if I'm doing a restoration project where I have to do paper repair. I will use either a Kozo or I'm drawing a blank on the other paper, Hanji. I'll either use a Kozo or a Hanji paper. I will do my paper repair either with a liter rice starch or with methyl cellulose. Usually it's methyl cellulose. I'll do the paper repair with that, and then I will put that repaired paper between remay, and then I put the remay sandwich in between the blotting paper, and then I put it in the press, or I put it under weight to dry, and then I get a really nice smooth paper repair. That's how I primarily use it. There you go. So I would love to have shown you the remay. The remay is a polyester spun bound material. It's very porous. It's very strong. I get mine from Gaylord Archival, or I get it from Talus. I tried buying it at the fabric store, and the remay that they have for interleaving and things like that, it doesn't have the non-stick quality that I need in what I get from Gaylord Archival or Talus. And it seems not to be as strong. It seems to be flimsy. It's like a completely different material. So the remay at your fabric store and the remay that you get from an archival or bookbinding store, really two different animals or two different qualities. I'm not sure how exactly to describe that. But I use the remay as a release layer. But again, if you're washing a fragile paper, the remay is a really nice support, so you can wash the paper and then take it out of the wash with that support, and then of course put it between blotters and dry it, which is how I primarily use this. Okay, this is Evan Crayons, Honey Badger Binder. This has been the very first BOOKFORGE unboxing, and we have unbuffered blotting paper, 100% cotton rag. All right, I appreciate your time. I hope you have a fantastical day, and we'll talk again later soon.